So trading opportunity techniques, so in intraday, so according to the technicals, by using the technicals, so here that tip of trading advantage we can utilize here, that is in front of the double take crude oil futures CFD, the MCX here right now the price is trading here the peak time of time. So this is the trading point of right now, the 5689. This is the candle. What I'm saying that the trading techniques of how that you is supposed to be used. So here to see, that is from here, this is the point where the yesterday close of price of 58.44 Indian rupee price, and the closing this is to the closing time is to be that here right side is to be that time. So the according to that the time span, so that you can utilize that today the crude oil was a big fall and the weak condition at this moment. What can I say? So this is a fall after this here, no, so it was to be that this candle allowed to think the positive intraday little bit recovery that to be, so we can think over after this candle. So that was to be that is between, this is the fall up to level of 56.50, and this candle is supported 56.65 to the 57.09. so the more than off, and the chance of the some upside the probability is more. So according to the technical here, the super trend, that this is a super trend, so the level is to be 57.70. so that level is we can expect but not immediately. So that is the weak conditions, it takes time, but the big early fall, that to be some support we can see. So that on that basis, Profit Club group, the Excel practice or practical, that was to be the what we taken the chance of buy order. So that was made at about 56.85. so that's 56.85 is activated. The stop loss we made it of 56.41. that's the early hours in the morning, and follows the PTSD call. And what we seen, that is the second candle is the upside, and to be that some correction again, that is the weak condition of trade today. So that was to be three candles again to here seen that a level of downside, and to be that again to support the once that after 2-3 times of trade, so that was to be reached about the level of resistance of 57.70. this is the candle to reach about 57.69, and the second candle, next candle, the 50 minutes candle cycle is 57.69. Again third candle was broken with at 57.72. so it means 57.70 that was broken, and the super trend converted into support here, no. So that after support again there's a weak condition again to probability is to be downside we can expect. So that the after observation of three candles, we close the position is at 57.60. so that was to be done, but we won't gone reverse, because of that is already the price was dropped a big way downside today. So after that, so that was again we seen the big way of fall. So that super trend again to acting, this is a super trend, this is was resistance, what this line of red, so this was 57.70 super trend, whereas this is support what by planned that wants to be to entry again. So that super trend support is about 57.75. so that was to be observation of again to chance, not sure to say because the weakness, but anyway, so that we can after three candles of 50 minutes candle cycle, we can chance of entry we can take in, but the 57.75 support we can't say that is a support, but just at 10 points we can take downside of 57.65. so after three candles was supported the 56.85, 50 that is 56.83, and the third candle was to be 56.83 support what we seen. So here the super trend is the 56.75, because this one 57.70, then it is a support is the 56.75. so three candles of 56.85 were activated. Then after what we seen, that is the again this fourth candle, so cut off what we seen. So again, so that was to be that cutoff seen. So that level of 56.67, it means 10 points we expect, 10 to 15 points we can expect, because of weak conditions that anything be possible to to furthermore downside, but so some chance of upside again probability is can expect, because this is already big way of fall. So second chance of entry what we made here in Profit Club, Exhale is the 46th call of crude oil. Again, we take an entry of 56.85, but the chance of 56.85 or 56.75. Otherwise, we can wait for up to the level of 56.65 also. So that is the matter. So we taken because we entry taken 56.85, then we again to taken the 56.85. So that was to be the again the stop loss is as it is of 56.41. What we our observation, we can modify the short stop losses also. But we are not expecting any target today, so because of big fall and weak conditions, especially in the crude oil, so that this was to taken at the entry of 56.85, the second entry. So that was to be that the stop loss is I told that is the 56.41, that our observation. The super trend still is acting as a support. Just now it was to be converted into resistance, but again immediately taken because the candle is trading above. So that was to be the our observation. We entry taken in the 56.85. The right now price is 56.78. The we seen at a level of 56.67. So see, this is the conversion again to see that is the resistance. Anyway, so that we is supposed to be take observation. So 2-3 candles. Otherwise, to be your stop losses is to be most important. The how the stop losses is using is very necessary while on trading. So that is a matter what I am saying here right now. So we will see that how it will be closed. According to the close only we can decide the trend again then tomorrow. That is a matter.